Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Wow.
Candy yams, we haven't talked about candy yams.
I'm gonna show you how to make drunken noodles.
New Orleans gumbo.
Whatever you have in the fridge, whatever you have in the pantry, risotto is kind of your blank slate. It's the go-to.
I'm gonna teach you how to make meatballs.
Here's the most important thing about these recipes. When you're making them, have fun.
Now I'm in your kitchen. Look at us.
We're gonna season a little bit of our water. Notice I tossed the salt in the water with a celebrity chef's flair. You can do it at home too. You just have to clean up.
I unapologetically love soul food.
Just kind of massage it, right? Get it everywhere.
There's an ice cream scoop. It's going to make our meatballs even portion size.
Into the oven at 450 degrees for about 15 minutes. On the next step, I'm gonna show you how to make the most amazing crema.
Quick sawing motion.
Miso, mustard, and applesauce.
There's so many aromatic compounds. I'm adding this late because I want them just to wilt and really perfume the dish.
A little bit of fresh parsley.
You just get a fork and the meat's gonna fall right off the bone.
That could be like the last meal I ever need.
Look at that. That, my friends, is a perfect paella.
You're welcome.